In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort a selected range in Google Sheets without affecting the rest of the sheet. If you've ever needed to rearrange a portion of your data without scrambling the entire worksheet, this is exactly what you're looking for. We'll keep it simple, make sure you know why each step matters, and get you confident with the Sort Range tool. First, select the exact cells you want to sort. Click and drag to highlight only the relevant block of data. Be careful not to select the entire sheet or extra columns and rows. Sorting works only on what you highlight, and that precision is what protects the rest of your sheet. If your selection includes a header row, such as labels like name or age, include that in the highlighted block as well, so the tool can recognize it. Next, go to the top toolbar and click Data. This is where all sorting and filtering options live. From the drop-down menu, choose Sort Range. Don't choose Sort Sheet, because that would rearrange the whole sheet, not just your selection. A dialog box will appear. If your highlighted range includes column headers, check the box that says Data has header row. This tells Google Sheets to treat the top row as labels, keeping it fixed at the top and making it easier for you to pick the correct column by name. If you didn't include headers, leave it unchecked and you'll see the columns listed by letter instead. Now choose how you want to sort. Use the drop-down to select the column within your selection that should control the order. Then decide whether you want ascending or descending order. Ascending typically means A to Z for text and smallest to largest for numbers, while descending means Z to A or largest to smallest. Pick the option that matches the way you want your data arranged. When you're ready, click Sort. Google Sheets will rearrange only the cells you highlighted, leaving everything else in the sheet exactly as it was. Take a moment to review the results and confirm that the header stayed put, the correct column drove the order, and the surrounding data outside your selection remained unchanged. If something isn't quite right, you can quickly undo and try again with a different column or order. That's all there is to it. With Sort Range, you get precise, controlled sorting without impacting the rest of your sheet.